This is a HMI solution, human machine interface solution of NXP, where we can give the it is a demo based on the coffee vending machine, where we can order the machine whatever the requirement of the coffee that we have. Let's have a look of the demo. Hey NXP. So we have activated, and there is a menu of the coffee, like we want to order the size, which size, strength of the coffee, and the type of coffee that we want to order. So suppose if we want to order the small coffee and strong, so like last I said, strong, it has taken the strong. Small, so small it has taken. Americano, so it has taken. Start, so now it has delivered the coffee.
Save your coffee selection, confirm or cancel.
Confirm, so it was asking whether you want to confirm and save this history of coffee in the database. So when I have said confirm, it has taken the input based on my face recognition. So next time if I will just go there and I will stand in front of it, it will scan my face and it will deliver the same coffee according to my choice. Like, see, hey NXP.
Another Americano, confirm or cancel.
Here it is asking that another Americano, last time which I have ordered. Confirm. So when I have said confirm, it has delivered. So this is the HMI based solution. It can be used in the
Another Americano,
it can be
confirm or cancel.
it can be used in the touch basis also, like this one, different. So whenever the customer want to use this type of application, we can give them. So on the touch basis also the customer can use this solution, and it can be used in the security access also, where access control, where someone wants to scan the face of the person, and after that recognizing the face, they will give the authorization. So this type of application can be used, and there is a lot more another HMI based solution that we can do with this solution. Thank you.